Hi everyone and welcome to my channel once again. I am Omazino and in our today's tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you how to identify your bra size. For the purpose of knowing our bra size, two things are key, which is one, to put on a fitted garment like this with non-padded bra, and the second is a flexible tape measure. Now, your bra size is your under bust measurement plus your cup size. Now, the first thing is, how do you know your under bust measurement? It's very simple. You will know this by placing a tape around your under bust like this. And when you do this, put into consideration like your bra fitting to be. Either you like it tight or loose. For me, I like mine a bit tight, just like this. So I'll just take note of the figure I get. So the figure I have here is 33. So my under bust measurement is 32. That to say, my bra size is 33 plus my cup size. Now, how do you know your cup size? It's very simple. You know your cup size by placing the tape around the fullest part of your bust like this. The fullest part of your bust is usually your nipple area. When you do this, always put into consideration how tight or how loose you like your bra fitting to be. And when you do this, always make sure the tape is straight around your side like this. So it is always advisable to do this standing in front of a mirror, or you get someone to do it for you. So for me, my bust measurement is 39. We will subtract our under bust measurement from our bust measurement, and the answer will be used to get our cup size. Now, when you subtract your under bust from your bust measurement, if the difference is 1, it means you are A cup, and if it is 2, you are B cup. If it is 3, you are C cup. If it is 4, you are D cup. If it is 5, you are E cup or DD. If it is 6, you are either DDD or F cup. If it is 7, you are G cup. If it is 8, you are H cup. If it is 9, you are I cup. And if it is 10, you are J cup, and the list goes up like that. So for me, since my bust measurement is 39 and my under bust measurement is 33, if I subtract 33 from 39, I will get 6. And 6 falls under DDD or F cup. So my bra size is 33 DDD or 33F. But our bra sizing comes in just even numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So if it happens that your under bust measurement is an odd number that ends with, say, 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then it is always advisable that either you choose to go up by 1 or to come down by 1. That means that my under bust measurement will be 34. So now I will subtract 34 from 39, and the answer is 5, which is DD or E. So if I choose to use 34, my bra size will be 34E or 34DD. And then if I choose to come down by 1, which is 32, then I'll subtract 32 from 39 to give me 7, which is G cup. So if I choose to use under bust 32, my bra size will be 32G. So now the issue of coming down or going up only applies to those whose under bust measurement is odd number. So let's say the under bust is 38 and your bust is 41. All you have to do is to subtract 38 from 41, which is 3, and 3 is C cup. So you will say your bra size is 38C. That's simple. And if you have any question, I would like you to drop it in the comment section. If you find today's video helpful, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.